Cheaper than diesel.
In previous episode we cut the hay and now it's finally time to rake it and bale it. But before that, let's enjoy some drone shots of the cutting. So the rake wasn't really making a swath, it was more turning the hay over and throwing it everywhere. In some places it was actually making it worse than it was before. It's maybe good for a wet hay where you need to turn it around so it dries better. In our case we actually just needed a swath because we had a hot day.
Very good.
So the next day we actually ended up doing it all by hands, which was a lot better of course, and we made nice swaths that the baler can easily pick up.
It looks still very green, but you can hear the crunch. That's like really nice.
some big swaths were actually getting the hay baler fully stuck, and I actually had to get out and push the hay in a bit, otherwise it would just not keep going. And I did use the rake to push it in. I did not put my hands anywhere near this machine. And here the PTO decided to fall off.
At the start? Rows? Lines?
I don't know.
Many. So we got them down to 3 in 1 hour and 10 minutes.
Pretty good.
Let's move on to the next field.
Cheaper than diesel.
Wow. Beautiful, sweaty, yucky, stinky.
Since this field had quite of a thick grass, we thought that the rake might work in this case, so we gave it another try to see if it will rake correctly this time.
guys. Ready, set, sweat. I'm so not excited. And I have to hide it.
It's not an exciting job, it's exciting to be done with it. Deli's here. Deli.
So we have finished 2 loads of 36 bales plus the 40 that we have. 127 are up here, and I have to go downstairs because we have 30 plus degrees in the shadow. Up here there's absolute no airflow, especially now that we have closed both sides. We have a window, but that is absolutely nothing, and I have never sweated as much as I have sweated today. It is also very humid, but we're lucky that there's no sun outside. That kind of makes it much better. I don't know how much more we're going to be able to fit because it's kind of risky to be here. I already fell through one of the boards, scraped through my leg, but all good, nothing broken, luckily. And yeah, because the heat also makes us like we have to focus like 3 times harder, not to do a misstep. But I think worst case we're only going to put something up here if we really have to. So let's now go up on the field. Well, in a bit we're gonna go swim and then finish for the day. Hopefully every single bale is gonna be inside. Fingers crossed. That's a small amount of stress. Woo.
We're starting to sprinkle that really.
I did get the tarp, worst case, which is not light at all, to cover them, worst case, but it did sprinkle for a few seconds, but like tiny, and now it's all good. Woo.
There's 2 more there. And
the broken one, no?
And broken one, and also broken in the...
And can I say something about...
by the string too much.
Can I say something about... I can't carry them. I put long pants because I'm like covered in scratches.
It's like cement bag.
But those are like 50, 60 kilos.
Okay, not that much, 40 at least.
40? Yeah. I mean, I guess. Oh. $15?
Yep. It smells like pepper.
Huh?
Is this the deep?
Whoa!
Oh, I thought you
That's the sound. That's how you can tell how heavy they are.
It's actually much better.
It's raining.
Okay, pass.
Raining.
And after you're pushing, go get the 2. Too high, it's a bit too much. Okay. Go get the 2 from the field. Here.
Oh.
Oh no! Lay them out.
We got them all in.
Yeah.
What are we doing for you, goaties?
What a challenge.
That was just like slightly crazy.
That was a challenge.
That we
could have split it to 2 days, but we knew that the weather's coming.
Yeah.
And the more rain you get on the grass,
the worse quality gets.
Yeah,
like all the nutrition.
Deneutralizes it.
Yeah. That's why they say to do it on good weather, and it was like nice and dry. I mean, it still is. So,
I don't think it got that wet.
I don't think so. We were also like not. We were covered by trees a bit from that way. So.
That was a challenge, not just because of how fast to do it, but also the weight.
The weight, these ones, I would not like to put up there.
No, we did a good thing by putting these downstairs.
And then the thing is that we slowed down because it did drizzle a bit, like barely, like not even probably made them wet. And then we like slow down, take our time, you know, it kind of passed, because usually rain passes us. And then just like pour.
They're very heavy, and I was taking a full powering throwing them. We did destroy a bit of the strings, I can tell, but
it's okay.
We're
just gonna lay them like this, like another one here, here and there, and then should be okay.
Oh my goodness.
They're just like unbelievably heavy.
I think we have the compaction setting. Yeah, thunders. we have the compaction setting a bit too high. At the start it was giving us loose bales, so we kept turning, and now we have it to the max. And I must say we kind of have to dial it back for the handling purpose, because this, oh, they're heavy. Yeah. So we probably have to make them a bitty less heavy. Like, it's good for saving space, but for our box, not that.
Dora?
Okay, let's leave them like this.
I think like that, and we gotta count how many we got.
So that's 24.
25 it was.
So that's pretty much it with this video. In that one day we did 180 bales all in one day. We were exhausted, and the heavy bales definitely did not help for us to actually end the day with such a heavy load. They were 20 to 40 kilo bales. It was ridiculous. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we're gonna see you in the next one.